Did you know that as men age, their bodies go through many significant and natural changes, including alterations in the size and function of their penis? It's a subject that often feels uncomfortable to talk about, and one that many people tend to avoid. But today, we're addressing it head on. If you've been curious, concerned, or perhaps a little embarrassed about this topic, this video is here to provide some much-needed clarity and insight. I'll be sharing valuable information and personal advice, all backed by the expertise of a trusted doctor with years of experience in men's health. It's important to remember that while this subject might feel a little awkward for some, it's also extremely important. Aging is something that everyone goes through, but understanding what happens to the body, especially for men, can actually reduce anxiety and help you approach the process of growing older with confidence and awareness. Knowledge is power, and today I am here to help you understand what's happening in your body as you age and how you can manage these changes. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer understanding of why the penis may appear smaller as men age, what physiological changes are behind this, and most importantly, what you can do to maintain your confidence, health and sexual well-being as you grow older. One of the most common misconceptions is that the penis shrinks permanently as a result of aging, and that this is something that cannot be reversed or managed. While it's true that aging brings changes in blood flow, muscle tone and tissue elasticity, the reality is that these changes are often manageable and in many cases reversible. The key is knowing how to take care of your body and understanding the science behind it. So while your body may change, it doesn't necessarily mean you have to accept a decrease in quality of life or intimacy. There are ways to mitigate many of these changes and keep your health in great shape. Another myth is that these changes mean a man is less manly or less desirable. Let's address this misconception right away. This couldn't be further from the truth. In reality, intimacy, self-confidence and sexual satisfaction are far less about physical size and more about emotional connection, communication, trust, and mutual respect. These are the factors that truly define healthy relationships and fulfilling intimate experiences, not physical attributes. So if you've ever been concerned about your body or felt that you were somehow losing your manhood, rest assured you are still as valuable, attractive, and desirable as ever. So what exactly causes the penis to appear smaller with age? Several physiological factors are involved. The main ones are related to testosterone levels, blood flow and fat deposits that can accumulate in the lower abdomen. As men age, testosterone naturally declines, and this decline can affect various aspects of health, including sexual function. Lower testosterone levels can lead to reduced blood flow to the penis, decreased sensitivity, and less muscle tone in the surrounding tissues. This decrease in circulation and elasticity can contribute to the sensation of a smaller size. Additionally, as we age, fat deposits may develop in the lower abdomen, which can create the appearance of a smaller penis, even though the actual size may not have changed significantly. But don't worry, understanding the reasons behind these changes is incredibly empowering. When you have this knowledge, you can take proactive steps to manage and even reverse some of the effects. The more informed you are about what's going on in your body, the better equipped you'll be to maintain a healthy and satisfying life. And addressing these issues early on can help you keep your intimate life intact, boost your self-confidence, and ensure that you continue to feel good about your body. That being said, it's crucial to avoid falling for the many scams and quick fixes that promise miraculous results. There are countless pills, pumps, devices, and treatments that claim to increase penis reverse the effects of aging. While some of these products may seem tempting, they often do more harm than good. Many of them are unregulated, ineffective, or even dangerous. Instead of resorting to extreme measures, focus on safe, realistic and scientifically proven ways to take care of your body and manage the effects of aging. Here are some simple yet powerful tips to help you take control of your health and maintain confidence as you age. Stay active with regular exercise. Physical activity is key to maintaining good circulation, improving cardiovascular health, and supporting overall vitality. Exercise can increase blood flow, which is important for sexual health, and also helps maintain muscle tone and flexibility. Activities such as walking, swimming, jogging, and strength training can all play a significant role in supporting your sexual and physical health as you age. Eat a balanced diet. Nutrition plays a critical role in hormone health, blood flow, and overall well-being. Eating a diet rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and nutrients will help your body function at its best. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains in your diet. Foods like avocados, nuts, oily fish, and leafy greens are particularly good for supporting cardiovascular health and circulation. Also, incorporating foods high in zinc, such as pumpkin seeds and oysters, can help maintain healthy testosterone levels. Practice stress management techniques. Chronic stress can have a profound negative impact on your hormone levels and overall health. Learning to manage stress is crucial for maintaining balance and preventing long-term health issues. Mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing exercises, and even yoga can help keep stress at bay, leading to improved health, better circulation, and more consistent hormone levels. Take time each day to relax, breathe deeply, and center yourself. Prioritize quality sleep. Getting enough sleep is vital for maintaining optimal hormone production, mood, and overall physical health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep helps your body repair itself and ensures that your hormones, including testosterone, stay balanced. Poor sleep can exacerbate the effects of aging, so make sleep a priority. Consult with your doctor. If you're noticing significant changes in your sexual health, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. A doctor can provide a tailored plan to address any concerns you may have, offer hormone testing, or recommend treatments that are safe and effective. Now I'd love to hear from you. What's one thing you're doing to prioritize your health as you age? Are there any specific lifestyle changes or practices that have made a positive difference in your life? I encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your input could help others who are going through similar challenges and are looking for guidance. Remember, aging is a natural process and it's not something to fear. Understanding these changes and what you can do to manage them will help you navigate aging with confidence and strength. It's all about staying informed, taking action, and embracing every stage of life with pride and purpose. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might benefit from this valuable advice. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more tips and insights from trusted experts. Together, we can continue living our healthiest, happiest lives, no matter what stage of life we're in.